Hi boys and girls, we're going to read this book together. So you should have already gone to the tab or file folder on your activity list and taken one of these books out. And we're going to read through it together and then you're going to do the activities. So if you didn't get the book yet, pause this and go get it. So the title is Maps and Globes. Can you point to the map? Yep, right here. Can you point to the globe? You got it. So it says, you can read this with me if you want to point and read too. A map is a flat drawing of the earth or a part of the earth. Can you find the compass rose on this map? Right here. Go ahead and turn your page with me. There are many different kinds of maps that you can use. Can you point to the map of a neighborhood? Yep, this one right here. This is a map of our whole world. And this right here is a map of North America, which is the continent that we live on. Right here, this little piece here is Florida. That's the state we live in. Maps can show land, water, mountains, roads, and many different places. Maps can help you find places if you get lost. Maps help you with directions. So here, this little girl, it looks like she's trying to get to the park. So she's going to look at this map to the park, and she's going to use her cardinal directions to figure out how to get to the park so she can be with her friends. A globe is a model of the earth. It is round like a sphere. A globe shows us what the earth looks like from space. So if you're up here in space, you could see what the earth looked like. So what I would like you to do is pause this video for a moment and I want you to draw a globe. Make sure that you show me the land and the water. Remember, your land should be green and your water should be blue. Go ahead and draw your globe and then press play to go on to the next page with me. On this page, you're going to draw a map. You can draw a map of your bedroom. That would be easy. But remember, on your map, you need to make sure that you include your cardinal directions and that you include a map key. So if you want to draw maybe like a square and then write bed, and then on your map, put a square. And then if you want to put a little line and say door, draw a line, and then we'll know that that line means door. You don't have to label everything on your map if you give me a good map key that tells me what your shapes all mean. Maybe your dresser, you would draw a rectangle, and on your map key, you'd put a rectangle, and then you'd write dresser, or whatever else you want to put on your map. All right, good luck. Oh, never mind. Look, I reminded you. Title, make sure you put a title for your map. So if you're drawing your bedroom, you'd write bedroom or my bedroom. Your cardinal directions and a key for your map. So make sure all that is included on your map. Alrighty, good luck.